from Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Aiden, Christmas bushes. I know who it was. It was my Cooking with Aiden fan. My neighbour. She's always a Santa. He's called Julie. And now what's inside? Fruit pastilles, Milky Bar, chocolate cupcake kit, and a slime cupcake kit, chocolate cupcake kit, and marshmallow. Thank you, Santa. These are my next Cooking with Aiden things. I know my cupcakes, but these are more fun. Like slime. It's not real slime. You'll think it is. And chocolate. Well, yeah, let's see. White stuff called cupcake mix. Oh no, this is some things. I don't know what this is. And the cupcake mix. I don't know what they're called. And the chocolate.
My mic on.
Choco icing mix. Some sponge mix. Chocolate chips. And the trays. And the things that I don't know. But I thought it was trays. Oh yeah. The cupcake tray. The cupcake tray. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And now you?
Like and subscribe for more content. And please note, there'll be a tutorial on how to cook these slime cupcakes.
Yeah.
Cooking with Aiden, episode 7. Coming soon.
Bye.